So as you're working with multiple tracks inside of Camtasia, there may be times when you want to hide or lock particular tracks for different reasons. So right here you can see that I got 3 tracks on my timeline. So if I were to go over here and see this, you can see that I can view this particular track. It's this one. But you may want to hide it for some reason or for a time being. So in order to do that, you can simply go over here and click on disable track button. That is how you can hide that particular track, and whatever is in that track gets hidden. It's not deleted, it's just hidden out. So you cannot actually edit this out, but if you want that track back again, you can simply click on the enable track button again, and then it'll get enabled again. Another option is that, let's say for example, you might want to prevent accidental edit. Maybe this is a logo of some sort, which you need to work around, which is kept right here. So let's say these are 2 logos that you need on the left and right side. In order to do that, you might want to lock them out. So you can press on this lock button, which is unlocked right now, lock and lock this button, and both of them are locked now. So you cannot actually edit this out. You can work with the layer beneath it, but you cannot work around with these 2 logos just like that. That is, these 2 tracks are fixed onto the place. So you can lock and hide as well, just like that. You can hide the particular layer or lock it out. So that is to prevent accidental editing, especially when you have a lot of tracks and you might edit out the wrong track while you're trying to edit the track beneath it. You can also right click and you can find the same settings. So you can turn the track off. So that does the same thing right here, just like this. And the other option is to lock the track. So those are the 2 options right here. Let's say, for example, you want to work with a particular single track then. In order to do that, you can solo out the track as well. So you can right click, and over here, you'll have an option to go around and enable solo track. So what that does is it hides all of the tracks on the top or bottom, and just lets you work with the track. So it's like hiding and locking out all of the other tracks you have. So you can click on, you can right click on this and disable solo track, and what happens is that all of the tracks are unlocked again. And these are the different ways on how you can hide, lock, and solo out tracks inside of Camtasia to make the workflow much easier for you. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.